Okay guys, this is my very first video review. I'm only doing this because I looked at this product for the last couple of weeks. I really couldn't find much information or others' opinions, at least from a video standpoint, to kind of tell me the information that I would like to have known before purchasing. So what I did is I found two Pajar boots. These are winter boots, Pajar Canada. These are premium boots that I was able to find online. Um, they're out of Montreal, Canada. Other than that, I don't know much other than what I'm able to tell you, okay? Um, everything you should be able to find most of this information online. But what I couldn't find was, the size, fit, quality, just how these things, felt in hand. And no one really went in depth on them. So I kind of want to bring it to you. These are very expensive boots. I think both of these retail for around $440. So I know this is a very limited market. I'm probably, if I have interest, I'll start doing reviews of higher end products. I have a tendency to really buy fine quality things. So I know not everyone is going to find that enjoyable, but that's what I do. So I'm fortunate enough to be able to afford it, and I try to indulge myself every once in a while. So I got two boots here. These are the Pajar Carrefour G. I don't know if I'm pronouncing any of these right, but I did call Pajar to find out some of the information, so I'm just here pretty much to pass this along and see if any of this helps. These again are winter boots. They are rated for negative 40 degrees Celsius, and that even might be negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'd have to look that up, but I also do know, I believe those two things, I think, connect at negative 40 degrees, so I'll look that up and I guess try to put that in the comments or whatnot. So two different styles here. The Carrefours, I guess it's called the nubuck, suede, and then leather. These are completely waterproof, and then again, they are 40 below rated for cold. They have these are all handmade shearling wool or shearling mink or whatever. Again, I can try to find the exact stuff up. Some say mink, some say sheep's wool. But what I can tell you is it is extremely soft and extremely comfortable. The two fits do fit a little different. These are the Clermont G's, Carrefour G's. The G stands for the grip, and I'll tell you a little bit about that as well. The grip is the bottom. I basically got these two because I don't live in Montreal and I don't know how to try these on. So these right here were a size 10 and a half. These were a 10. And everyone does say online they fit really small, and I can attest that they do. So I'm actually going to be returning both of these, and I'll be picking up a size 11. So I normally wear about a 10 to 10 and a half. And I'm being told 11 should work. One more thing about the sizing I'll say is this was a 10 and a half, this was a 10, but in Euro they both say 43 on the bottom of the boot. So I'm told from the store that the 11s will be a 44 sole, and those actually should fit my needs. So these are the two boot models. I think they're very similar. The main difference here is the zipper. This one doesn't. So I think aesthetically this could be more pleasing as a stylish boot, if you will. The idea behind this model is this is their Heritage, which is their luxury or premium line boot. I don't think that many people have searched for these because, again, they are so expensive. But I found a need for this here in northern Michigan because I like a little bit of style, but I also don't want my boots to look too bulky. These are boots I'm not going to wear out in the mud and sloshing around. These are solely for when I need to go out on town or just even shoveling the driveway or something like that. So why these boots are so nice, again, waterproof. the inside fur here that is extremely soft. They have removable soles. And these soles are actually pretty cheap replacement. Sorry, I'm trying to take this out. These are nice. This is all handmade. And actually I can see on the bottom here it says 10 to 10.5. So that probably fits this 43 euro. So, you know, maybe I messed up when I ordered these for the sizing. Again, I'm sorry, this is my first video, so I'm sure I'm, you know, not explaining things correctly or what, but like I said, I looked some stuff up. I couldn't find anything on this. I think the helpful notes, if someone else is going to buy, they're looking for, if they want these G's, what I keep referring to as this grip, and this, I believe, is specific to Pajar. I think when I look at the tags on some of these, it says OC system. So what that means is they have this OC style grip on the bottom. And what you do is you flip this up, and these have pretty much an ice pick. Again, I don't know the material. I think I saw somewhere it was like, well, we'll just say titanium, but I'm sure it's not that. So it's got these double metal grips for gripping on the ice. And you know, I found this very cool. So I haven't tried these out, obviously, since these are brand new and I'm returning and getting a different size, but I think, you know, there's a place for this. So I like it. So I'm gonna try to get this other one out. You kind of have to use a key that they provide, which I know is annoying, but I've read people can easily do it with a car key, which I don't have, but what I do have, my Leatherman charge, so this should suffice. I should be able to find a tool that'll do this without scraping these. Cool. So yeah, so here's the grip system. These just fold down both sides. Just a quick little flip, so if you get out of your car or something, you see some ice, you put these down and you should be good to go. I thought this was awesome. This is actually one of the reasons why I wanted this boot, was that alone. I plan on this being a one-time purchase, and hopefully these last me a lifetime. So I can try them on just so you guys get a visual, but they are small. So Clermont G will be on my right, Carrefour G will be on my left. I'll probably wear these if I'm wearing around town, like that, a little bit undone. So yeah, Pajar Canada. Extremely comfortable, almost like slippers. So check them out. I know if you're in the market for these, you probably have done a decent amount of research already. I'm just hoping this video gives you a little bit of a visual stimulation, because I wasn't able to find anything. So here you guys go.